In this video, I'm going to show you how to make quarterly IRS tax payments online. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up any web browser like you normally would. Go to the search bar and look up IRS payment right over here. You could do this on a mobile device, but I personally recommend using a desktop. Anyways, the most important thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and make sure you only select on the website that says irs.gov. That is the only website that is going to work. So more importantly, please make sure that when you actually enter the website that it says irs.gov. And then afterwards, it is going to bring you to a page that looks like this. Now, what you're able to do is you're able to pay your tax balance due, estimated payments, or you can go ahead and pay regardless of whether your payment plan. What you could also do is that you can go ahead and actually schedule payments in advance, and you're effectively able to do quarterly payments. All right, once you're over here, you're able to go ahead and select on direct pay with bank account, or you can go ahead and use a debit or credit card or a digital wallet. This will work both for individuals and businesses, but let's select on direct pay with bank account. Now, afterwards, what you're able to do is you're able to go ahead and scroll down, and it's going to give you more information and stuff like that. So you can pay your taxes from your bank account using direct pay, and it's free and secure, no sign-in required. You can change or cancel within 2 days of scheduled payment. If you guys have more questions or you want to learn more details, select on direct pay help right over here. Then over here, it's going to let you know how to actually do everything, all of the different information that you will need. So you're able to go ahead and go through here and read all these different stuff. And there also is an FAQ section. So if you have a particular question, then you guys are able to go ahead and look through here and hopefully get your answers to your questions. But anyways, you're able to go ahead and select on pay individual tax. Then you're able to select on make a payment just like so. Then you guys are able to go ahead and select on what type of payment you want to apply to. So whether it's a 1040 or a civil penalty, etc., you want to go ahead and select on it. Then you want to select on the reason. And over here, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on estimated tax. And then you want to select on the tax year period. And then from there, you're able to go ahead and schedule the payment. So it is going to ask you for your social security number, your input payment amount, and you will need to enter your bank info like your routing and account number. And you will need to choose your payment date. And once again, you can schedule up to 120 days in advance. Then you can review and confirm, and then you'll get a confirmation number immediately. It is free, direct from your bank, and instant confirmation. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.